And I'm back. I've been off for a couple of weeks because I haven't been very well, but I'm back today. And today we're in Llanelli Wetlands Centre here in Llanelli in South Wales. And there's a group of us, and we're out taking photographs of ducks, birds, and all sorts of things. So as we go through the video today, you'll see all sorts of birds and all kinds of things, as I said. So just sit back and enjoy, and I'll talk to you as we go along. Thank you. Weather changed a bit now, so I take my coat off. And not only that, they kept making fun of me, saying I look like a Russian. So, because I was dressed in my green top and my camouflage hat. So there we go. It's nice to be back out. Nice to be back with the camera. Nice to be back with the video camera. And it's interesting shooting birds. I'm not a massive bird shooter, but it's just nice to be out, you know. So keep enjoying.
The road. There you are. Come on then. That's it. I know.
I'm not worried about us, are they? They'll go around this way. Wow,
They're so cute.
Beautiful colour, isn't it? You're loving it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Aren't they stunning? Listen to them. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Yeah.
As long as there's a power station.
That's it, yeah.
But if you just outside that.
Here's the group. All doing their thing in the bird hide. Been a good day today, some nice photos. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not a massive bird shooter, but it's been nice to be out and about. It's been nice to get feeling better, you know. So today I've been using my X-T3 and my 18135 today. Unusual, you may say, for birds, but yeah, they're quite close here, so there's been no problems. This is 13 of us, 12 or 13 of us, so it's not too bad. We have group discount, which is a bargain, and we've seen loads of different birds. So almost done now, and I'll say goodbye to you before we go. So we're nearing the end of the day at the moment, and we're just going to go to the wild section. So a few things here, as you can see. I don't know, there's odds and sods. So it's been lovely with you today, and we will soon see you. Or we'll see you soon. It's been a good day. I'm making a bit. My illness means I'm making a little bit more than usual actually, but it's been a good day. So don't forget to like, subscribe and all that stuff. And it's good to be back, and hopefully I can get you some better videos next week when I'm on top form. Thank you very much. Enjoy. And this concludes today's exciting episode of looking at birds through holes. You can see the group there, all looking good. So Sandra, we had Sandra and Jeff. Say hi, Jeff. Hi, Jeff. Hi, Jeff. Now we all know Claire, of course, because Claire's the she doesn't say much, but when she does, she laughs. Here's John. Sam. Thank you, Biz. Put it on telly. He's on there. Good. Everybody else there? Oh, Frank's there. Frank doesn't mind saying hello, does he, Frank?
Hello. Sam is watching the orgy.
Sam's watching the orgy. There you are. I hope you enjoyed yourselves today. It's been a good day. And oh, we haven't seen Phil there, have we? Say hi, Phil.
Hello, how are you?
He's from Swansea, that's why he talks to that. I apologise. And he's very posh. But since he's moved to Porthcawl, he's even posher. Thank you. Come back for more. Bye.